Hello students, today we will continue our exercise 15.3. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. First of all, we have to find the odd numbers. Odd numbers between 0 to 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7, dot 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 49. Here the first term is 1. Common difference is 3 minus 1 equals to 2, and the last term is 49. By using formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, we have to put the value of a, an, and d, and we have to find the value of n. Means this 2 is multiplied with n and 2 is multiplied with minus 1. So we get 49 equals to 1 plus 2n minus 2. So here by solving 1 minus 2 we get minus 1, and minus 1 goes on another side, become positive. So 49 plus 1 equals to 50, 50 equals to 2n, n equals to 25. Now by using formula Sn equals to n by 2 bracket a plus l, now we have to put the value of n equals to 25, 25 by 2 bracket 1 plus 49. This 2 is divisible by 50, so we have divided it. 50 is divisible by 2, we get 25. 25 into 25 equals to 625. Question number 15. A contractor on construction job specifies the penalty for delay of completion of the work beyond a certain following criteria. On first day, 200 was the penalty. For second day, 250 was penalty. And on third day, 300, and so on. And every penalty was 50 more than preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay a penalty if he delays the work of 30 days? Here for first day it's 200 rupees, for second day it's 250, and for third day it's 300. So we have AP in form of 200, 250, 300, 350 up to 30 terms. Here the first term is 200 and the common difference is 50 and n is 30. Here by using formula of Sn we have to find the value of Sn. Here n is 30, we have to put the value of n by 2, it's 30 by 2. Here a is 200, 2 into 200 equals to 400, n is 30 and d is 50. First of all we have to subtract. 30 minus 1 is 29 and 29 is multiplied with 50, and we have to add 400 in it, and again it is multiplied by 50. First we have to multiply 29 into 50, so we get 1450, and 1450 is added with 400, so we get an 1850, and 1850 is multiplied with 50, so we get 27750, means 27,750 rupees. It is the penalty for 30 days. Question number 16. A sum of 700 rupees is to give a 7 cash prize to the students for a academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding term, find the value of each prize. Here we have a 7 cash prize equals amount of 700 rupees. Means I have to give a total 700 rupees in form of 7 cash prize, and each difference is of rupees 20 of preceding term. Let the first value be 10, second value be a minus 20, third value be a minus 40, and so on. We form a sequence of a minus 20, a minus 40, a minus 60, and so on. Here the first term is a, and the common difference is a minus 20 minus a, so we get a common difference of minus 20, and here we have n equals to 7. We have a given that S7 equals to 700. Now putting the value of Sn in a given formula. Here we have a formula Sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a n minus 1 into d. Here we have put the value of n equals to 7 by 2, 2a as it is, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 is multiplied with minus 20. So we get result equals to 2a minus 120 and 7 by 2 as it is. Now we have divided this 7 is divisible by 700 and this 2 is multiplied with 700. So we get result equals to 200. 200 equals to 2a minus 120. This minus 120 goes on another side, it become positive. So 300 plus 120 equals to 320. 320 equals to 2a. Therefore a equals to 160. So the value of first prize is rupees 160. Value of second prize is 160 minus 20 equals to 140. Value of third prize is 140 minus 20. So we get 120. In same way, fourth prize is 100, fifth prize is 80, sixth prize is 60, and seventh prize is 40. Question number 17. In a school, the student have to planting a tree around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided the number of tree in each section of each class will be planted. Means in same will be same as the class in which they are studying. For example, if the section 1 will plant only one tree and class 2 will plant two tree up to 12th class, means each class, means class 1 will plant one tree, class 2 will plant two tree, class 3 will plant three tree, class 4 four trees. In same way 12th class will plant 12 trees. There are three sections in each class. How many trees will be planted by student? First of all, we have to find the number of planted trees planted by class 1. There are three sections. Number of sections into 1. There are three sections. Three sections into 1 means 3. Plant tree number of tree planted by class 2 equals to number of section into 2 equals to 6. Number of tree planted by class 3 equals to number of section into 3. We get 3 into 3 equals to 9. So we have a sequence form of 3, 6, 9 dot dot 12 terms. Now we have to find the number of trees by all students. We have to find the sum of the sequence of a term. Here the first term is a equals to 3 and the common difference is 6 minus 3 equals to 3 and n equals to 12. By using formula of Sn, we have to find the sum of the terms of a AP. Here is the formula. We have to put the value and find the Sn, S12. N by 2 is 12 by 2, 2a, 2 into 3 plus 12 minus 1 equals to 11 and 3. First of all, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 is multiplied with 3, we get result 33, 33 is added with 6, we get 39, and this 39 is multiplied with 6, we get 234. Means total number of plant are 234. Next question is 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. Here we have a 200 logs that we have to log. 20 logs in bottom row, 19 logs in next row, 18 in next row, so on. How many rows are there for 200 log place and how many logs are in top row? Here in bottom we have a 20 logs and in above one we have 19 logs and in above we have 18 logs and in above we have to place 17 logs. In same way, how many rows are there for the 200 logs and how many logs are in top row? First of all, the number of logs in bottom row is 200 and the number of logs in next row is 19. Number of logs in next row is 18. Here we have a sequence to form a 20, 19, 18. Here the first term is 20 and the common difference is 19 minus 20 equals to minus 1. Now by applying formula S of Sn, we have to put the value of n, Sn, and we have to find the value of n. 200 equals to n by 2 bracket 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. First of all, we have to solve this. Minus 1 is multiplied with n and minus 1 is multiplied with minus 1. So we get result equals to plus 1. Then n is multiplied with 40 and n is multiplied with minus n and n is multiplied by 1. So we get equals to 400 equals to 40 n minus n square plus n. Now we have a quadratic equation n square minus 41n plus 400 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize to solve the equation. So we have to split the middle term and factorize it. So we can write n square minus 25n minus 69 plus 400 equals to 0. Therefore, we have to take a common from first two terms n minus 25 and from last two terms n minus 25. So we get n minus 25 and n minus 16. So we get n equals to 25 and n equals to 16. We discard n equals to 25 because we don't have more than 20 rows. So the sequence form of 20, 19, 18. So the number of logs in the row is 16. By applying formula of Sn, we have to put the value of 200 equals to 8 into 20 plus L. So we get the value of L equals to 5. Thank you, students.